Good production.
Pre me long time. Big bumper girl, what's about wine? On my Instagram page, I'm lurking. I got no time for you cause I'm working. Big bumper girl, shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically in this video I'm going to show you guys how I did these 10 feeding kind of small braids. So basically I had asked somebody to cornrow my hair into 10 for me because well, I was wearing box braids and I took those out. I wore them for 3 weeks and I took those out and I wanted cornrows, so I decided to do them. So now I am unraveling the last braid because I wanted the cornrows to be straight and I can't really part my hair because I don't have anything to or what I'm trying to say is I cannot catch it to part it perfectly, so I asked somebody to part it for me. So here I am pulling it out to do the last braid, and I used one pack of expressions here and I cut it into 3 sections. So yeah, here I am unraveling my hair, and I used some wax to put on my edges to get my hair a little bit moist so that it stays neat in the cornrows. So I basically used 7 pieces of hair in each section so that I could get even or kinda even braids. I learned this trick from Beauty Can Braid on YouTube. So yeah, so here I am adding the wax, and I did start my braid with hair. I just used an extremely thin piece or small piece at the front. So here I am parting off the section that I will be starting my braids with. So you can see a very small section, and I start the braid with that small piece of hair. As you can see, it's basically self-explanatory. If you can braid, then you'll be fine. So what I do is I just go under and under and hold it as tightly as you can to get it neat. So go under, then I take the hair, the next section of hair, and I stick it under that finger there, and I throw that piece out of the way. Then I start to braid again under and under, and I take that other piece and I stick it under my finger again so that that is included in the braid. And that's what I do throughout the entire cornrow. I just throw it under, and it depends. If you want thicker braids, then you can use bigger sections, but the look I was going for was, which is what I achieved. I wasn't looking for a bigger cornrow, so I used kind of small sections, and it builds up at the back, but it's okay because I liked it. That's the look I was going for. So basically that's what I did throughout my entire head. My arms were so tired. That's why I only record myself doing the last one, because I'm like, oh my god, this is killing me. The struggle was real, guys. Oh, you have to make sure that you pull your fingers out to the extreme end because the hair gets tangled a lot. So you have to make sure that you just pull your fingers out to the extreme end. I was watching No More and Chrissy, and Oh my god, did I say that? I mean Domo. Am I the only person who watches Domo's videos now and she's like, hey guys, what's up? It's Domo. And in my mind I'm like, and Chrissy. Okay, but it's so sad. Anyways, I still watch both of them. I love both of them. I don't care what anybody else says. I love both of them. Anyways, I'm about to finish, so I'm turning so that I can give you guys a side view and the back. When I reached this point, I really don't put any more braids in it because, as I said before, it builds up and I don't want it to be too big. I wanted it to be the size that I have. So probably I'd add just a thin piece to get it to be the same length as the others, or I just won't add anything and then I'll leave it and braid it down so that it is the same length as the others and the same width. And finally, I am at the end, just braiding it down. And I normally use some wax at the very end of my hair because I know that my hair is very short and I want it to stay in. But I didn't remember to do it on the last one, so. But I normally do that, and if you're going to do this style, I would advise that you do that because it keeps your hair hidden underneath the braids so that you can get a longer wear from this style. Yeah, so basically I just braided it to the end, and when it got to the pieces where it was too small to braid, I just did a rope twist. Yeah guys, so basically this is my end product. I am so happy. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so very much for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, concerns, please leave it down in the comment section below. I am very happy to reply to your comments and talk to you guys, so talk to me. And yeah, basically this is my look. I'm showing you the back view. It's very nice. I really like it. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Bye.